Hey, this is Zach with Dreamedia. I just wanted to show you guys the setup we finished out here in Fairview. We're running a 7.1 surround system here in the living room. This is tied into Sonos as well as DirecTV, Apple TV, and all their other services like Blu-ray player and gaming consoles. If you look above, we have in-ceiling episode 350 series speakers. We got a Sony 900E 65-inch over the mantle with the 350 episode on-wall mountable speaker right below it. And then we have our 350 in-walls here mounted to the left and right. Here at the rear of the room, we have a Polk Audio 10-inch subwoofer. And then everything's terminating back here in the closet. And you can see we have our amplifier, Onkyo TXNR, which is powering up the 7.1 surround system. We have these Sonos Connect amps, which are for the 2 additional zones of distributed audio, which are out on the patio and the rock speakers. And then we have the Sonos Connect, which is for the living room, which is a plug-in into the Onkyo so that they can have their different rooms laid out where they can play their music, whether it's the rock speakers, main living, or patio. And then here are their devices, which are for the living room system. But there's also inputs into the Sonos system for selecting content, like say, for example, if you had a football game or baseball game going out in the living room, you could select that to play through the rock speakers out by the pool when you're entertaining. And then, of course, we always surge protect all of our equipment with a Watt box surge protector. If you follow me out to the patio, I'll show you what we have out there. What's great about Sonos is that it's expandable, so you can get individual freestanding speakers throughout the home for rooms that aren't wired. But out here on the patio, we put in 2 6-inch in-ceiling all-weather off-wall speakers in black. And then out here by the rock speakers, by that adorable little dog, you'll see a couple 8-inch speakers. Just walk out there and show them what those look like. All right, so what's really nice about this system, it is over the Wi-Fi network. So say the customer is out here in the pool, they can come right in here to their app and adjust their rock speakers, which I'm sure you can hear through the video, or their patio speakers, depending on where they're at and how they're entertaining to balance the audio. I do want to show you the living room universal remote system. So this particular room, you can turn off the audio to it one of 2 ways. Right here through the main living, you can just ungroup it like that, and it'll kick it out. Like say you wanted to play something different in here from what's playing on the patio, and then you could just come right here on your universal remote and select the DirecTV, and it'll kick everything on and kick it over to the right input so that you could watch TV in here and be listening to music out there. This is an overview on a couple of these products. If you guys have questions, let me know.